Hello and welcome to AI Turkmenistan news on Atavatan TV. Let's get started with today's top stories. In this episode of our AI-generated news program, we present the following headlines. Turkmenistan's National Day celebrated with splendor at EXPO 2025. Turkmenistan's EXPO 2025. Pavilion, a fusion of culture and technology. President of Turkmenistan meets with head of Japan-Turkmen Parliamentary Friendship Group. Dear viewers, now on Atavatan TV, let's move on to the details of the news. Turkmenistan's National Day celebrated with splendor at EXPO 2025. President of Turkmenistan Serdar Berdimuhamedov, speaking at EXPO 2025 in Osaka, Japan, emphasized that peace, trust, and equality should form the foundation of global cooperation. Turkmenistan's National Pavilion showcased the country's achievements and modernization efforts in sectors such as energy, industry, agriculture, textiles, chemicals, and tourism. The president stated that Turkmenistan is open to international investment and is carrying out major projects to deliver its energy resources to global markets. Highlighting the strengthening long-term and friendly relations between Turkmenistan and Japan, Berdimuhamedov expressed gratitude to the Japanese business community and affirmed that joint projects will continue. This celebration, held during the first days of the Expo, once again demonstrated Turkmenistan's outward-looking economic vision and its active role on the international stage. Turkmenistan's EXPO 2025 Pavilion, a fusion of tradition and innovation. The Turkmenistan Pavilion at EXPO 2025 Osaka was officially inaugurated by President Serdar Berdimuhamedov, showcasing a powerful blend of the nation's cultural heritage and modern development vision. The three-story triangular rotating structure drew inspiration from national symbols such as the Karakum Desert, traditional carpet patterns, and the famed Ahalteke horses, offering visitors an immersive visual experience. The first floor featured digital exhibits presenting Turkmenistan's history, natural wealth, energy projects, healthcare advancements, and smart city concepts. On the second floor, visitors explored innovations from the city of Arkadag, as well as technological and economic achievements from various government ministries and private enterprises. The cultural sections of the pavilion highlighted traditional Turkmen cuisine, handicrafts, and carpet weaving, creating a space where guests could connect emotionally with Turkmen identity and craftsmanship. President of Turkmenistan meets with head of Japan-Turkmen Parliamentary Friendship Group. President of Turkmenistan Serdar Berdimuhamedov met with Endo Toshiaki, the head of the Japan-Turkmen Parliamentary Friendship Group, during his official visit to Japan. Endo warmly congratulated the president on his first visit to Japan and praised Turkmenistan for being among the first countries to celebrate its National Day at EXPO 2025. Both sides emphasized that interparliamentary cooperation plays a vital role in strengthening the broader bilateral relationship between the two nations. President Berdimuhamedov expressed appreciation for the productive work of Japanese companies in Turkmenistan and reaffirmed the country's readiness to continue joint projects. Endo Toshiaki extended heartfelt gratitude to the president and national leader of Turkmenistan for their efforts in fostering strong and friendly ties between the two countries. That's all for AI Turkmenistan news. Don't forget to follow us for more updates. See you next time.